Welcome to my in-depth review of the NEWORK 75-inch 4K smartboard, a game-changing Google EDLA certified interactive whiteboard that's poised to revolutionize the way we collaborate, teach, and present. As an expert technology reviewer, I'm excited to dive into the key features that make this smartboard a powerhouse in both educational and business environments. First, let's talk about the Google certification. Being a Google EDLA certified smartboard means that the NEWORK 75E provides full access to the Google Play Store, Google Workspace, and the Google Education Suite. This is a huge deal, as it offers enterprise-grade privacy protection and regular OTA updates, ensuring that your smartboard stays secure and up-to-date. Imagine having access to a vast library of educational apps, tools, and resources, all at your fingertips. For schools and businesses, this level of integration with Google's ecosystem is a major advantage, streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity. Under the hood, the NEWORK 75E runs on the latest Android 14 OS, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. This translates to silky smooth multitasking without any lag or slowdowns. Whether you're teaching a class, leading a meeting, or brainstorming with your team, this smartboard can handle it all with ease. The Android 14 OS also ensures that you have access to the latest features and security patches, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. Now, let's talk about the immersive 4K display. The 75-inch UHD screen boasts a 178 wide viewing angle and an 85 NTSC color gamut, making it perfect for classrooms and meeting rooms. The image quality is stunning, with crisp, vibrant colors and excellent contrast. Whether you're displaying text, images, or video, the screen remains clean and easy to read, even from the sides. This is especially important in collaborative environments, where multiple users need to view the screen from different angles. One of the standout features of the NEWORK 75E is its natural writing capability. With 50-point multi-touch support, up to 10 users can write simultaneously, making it perfect for collaborative learning, brainstorming, and interactive presentations. Imagine a classroom where students can work together on a project, each contributing their ideas and insights in real time. Or picture a meeting room where team members can brainstorm and sketch out ideas on a massive, interactive canvas. The possibilities are endless, and the NEWORK 75E makes it all possible. Another game-changing feature is wireless screen sharing. With support for up to 16 devices at once, you can easily cast content from smartphones, tablets, and laptops to the smartboard. This is perfect for digital classrooms and hybrid workspaces, where users need to share content from multiple devices. Whether you're presenting a lesson, sharing a report, or collaborating on a project, wireless screen sharing makes it easy to get everyone on the same page. In real-world use cases, the NEWORK 75E excels in both educational and business environments. For schools, it offers a powerful tool for interactive learning, enabling teachers to create engaging lessons and activities that promote student participation and collaboration. For businesses, it provides a versatile platform for meetings, presentations, and brainstorming sessions, helping teams to work more efficiently and effectively. Compared to typical alternatives, the NEWORK 75E stands out for its impressive feature set, robust build quality, and seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. While other smartboards may offer some of these features, few can match the NEWORK 75E's overall package, which includes Google certification, Android 14 OS, immersive 4K display, natural writing capability, and wireless screen sharing. In conclusion, the NEWORK 75-inch 4K smartboard is an exceptional interactive whiteboard that's poised to transform the way we collaborate, teach, and present. With its impressive feature set, robust build quality, and seamless integration with Google's ecosystem, it's an ideal choice for schools, businesses, and organizations of all sizes. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use smartboard that can help you achieve your goals, look no further than the NEWORK 75E. So why wait? Get your hands on this incredible smartboard today and discover a new world of possibilities.